NASDAQ100 traded bullish throughout the week but failed to go past the 13,400 levels, critical resistance, and then yes, the next resistance level is still far away. And if you recall, last week I told you 12,800, precisely these two levels we had marked, and I told you it might swing and precisely traded within this. Now what is going to happen next week, whether it is going to drop or whether it is going to continue the bull run, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new must watch the daily analysis of NASDAQ100. Once I share with the Asia session and next I share with the US cash session. So daily twice I share the update on NASDAQ100. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Do not miss to watch it. Now look at the weekly charts of NASDAQ100. From here the rally started and it is giving you higher lows. Now look at this. It is trying to see higher highs and higher lows. That is what it is being seen. Also it is this time, if you precisely look at it, has failed to go past. The bullishness is diminished here. It started from here a bigger candle, and this time the bulls are there, but the bullishness is diminishing as the candle size was not even half of the previous candle, indicating that the bulls are not there to take the charge, and it is failing to go past first resistance at 13,400 and then the critical resistance at 13,500. So is this the sign of reversal? We will see it, and yes, probably next week it can try to achieve a double top at 13,400 and then probably may recede from there. At the same time, if you see it trading below 13,000 any point of time, you can again go short and be watchful of 12,900, 12,800. Again below that definitely a stronger drop might come, and then we can see it crashing below 12,500 levels towards 12,400 in the next support, and below that we can see it going till towards 12,000 levels. So should we consider that the retracement is over? Now look at the weekly charts here. Precisely at the highs it is traded. Then this is the channel in which it is trading since long now. It has started in early 2022 and now it is almost 6 months then since it is trading in this zone. And if you look at it, has achieved the highs of this channel again. And what has happened previously, see, this was the time when it has achieved the highs of the channel, lower highs, and then it has dropped. So similarly, if it achieves lower highs and trades below 13,400, till the time it trades below 13,400, we can expect it to retrace back again on the downside, and similar formation may appear. This is one observation. Beyond 13,400, then we should consider that 13,500, and beyond 13,500 there could be a stronger rise which might take it till towards 14,000 levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you will observe, see, this is the support zone in which it is traded, and after this the breakout has happened. So 12,900, 12,800 zone you should watch out for. Also look at the last three candles rather, higher highs, lower lows. The pivot right now at around 13,250 levels. So yes, you can go long above 13,250. Rather, I will say you can go long above 13,300, and beyond 13,300 you can expect that we can see it again achieving 13,400 levels. So be watchful of 13,300. One can go long at 13,300, but till the time it trades below 13,300, we can expect it to come back till towards 13,000 levels, which is going to be the next support zone, and breaking which you can expect that it may continue with the bearish moves. And see, if this support zone is taken, then probably we may see it hitting this zone at 12,500, 400, and below that it may give you a stronger cash. Now look at the monthly charts here. On the monthly chart, see, if you divide this into and if you consider this as reversal, it is trying to form a symmetry of this, and symmetry means the next third candle may try to achieve this zone in next couple of months, and then the drop may occur if it is a reversal from here. Now if you look at this candle, it was precisely an indecision candle where it has seen a high, it has seen a low. So yes, there is a probability that it can try to drop again till towards this zone, that is 11,700, 11,600 levels, and the highs at around 13,500, which is going to be precisely a stronger resistance zone, and close the month around here. So be careful, as it has almost achieved the lower highs at 13,400. Now it may try to recede again on the downside, and yes, you can be watchful and cautious of this zone, that is at around 12,900, 800. Below that, yes, you can expect a sharper drop. See, almost 3 weeks, only 1 week has been passed for this month, and yes, there are multiple trading sessions and trading days are left, so precisely we can expect that it can try to drop a little, it can come back till here and then recede again on the upside, close this, and the next candle will decide which direction it may take. Again, it may show you some bullish character there. So this is one observation. Also, we have already noted that it has achieved this level. See, at this point I had told you this is trying to achieve this. Now probably it is trying to retrace again on the upside, and yes, if it drops below 11,000 any point of time in this month or next month, yes, you can consider that as a bearish move. I'll be watchful of this, and specifically 11,700 zone also you should be watchful of. So for next week, yes, you can go short if you see it trading below 13,000 levels, and below 13,000 levels, couple of entries at 12,900, 12,800. This zone you should specifically be cautious of. If it drops below 12,800, definitely one can remain short for the rest of the month till the time it bounces back. So it may achieve 12,400, 500 the first target, and in fact 12,000 levels the second target before looking forward to a rise there. On the upside, be watchful of 13,300. Beyond that, you can go long, but then the next target at 13,400 and 13,500. These two levels you should be cautious of. If it breaks past 13,500, definitely we may see it rising till towards 14,000 levels in next couple of weeks, and in fact 14,500 can also be seen. Now this is what we can see on the monthly charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, this is the channel in which it is trading higher highs and higher lows. See, despite the drop, it failed to break past the lower support zone of this channel, and that is why I say only short. Yes, if you see it trading below 13,000 levels, below 13,000 you can expect a sharper drop. Then we will be looking forward to 12,900, 12,800 levels. Till the time it trades above this, and till the time it trades 13,300, or rather we can say 13,300, 400 zone. 13,400 is very strong resistance, 13,500 is the next strong resistance. So till the time it trades below these two, probably we can see a sideways movement, and between 13,000 to 13,400, 500 you have to be largely remain cautious there. Now this is another observation. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? And if you look at the indicators here, see, it was trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour charts, and that is what we can see a drop. It has come back to the median of it and precisely traded and closed around the median there. So now you have to be cautious of 13,000 levels, and in fact yes, you can go short here at 13,050 also. Below that, yes, you can expect a little drop towards 13,000, and below that we can see a drop, else it may try to retrace back again. Look at the 4-hour charts there. The highs of these charts are around 13,300 levels. That is the level beyond which you can definitely try to enter a long position or buy from there. The directional movement is slowly converging and willing to cross over. Stochastic is near to bottom and comfortable. Look at the 4-hour charts. Look at the MACD. Wide divergent. Only 3 candles have passed, and probably we can see it trading similar fashion where it traded bearish but traded sideways. So look what happened when it crossed over last time. When it crossed over last time from here, we have seen it trading sideways but with moderately bearish zone, and then the crossover happened on the bullish side and the rally started. So be cautious. On the downside, it can try to still trade above 13,000 levels. This is one observation. On the 4-hour charts, RSI is comfortable. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, it was trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. We have seen the drop. It is the top of the Donchian channel which has provided resistance, and it is now trying to trade with a drop. The support there at this zone at 13,000, 12,900 is going to be strong, breaking below which it may come back to this zone, that is 12,400, 12,500. Remember, even if it tries to trade bullish, it can come back towards this zone. And yes, even if it has to rise, it can come back towards this zone 12,500, 400, and below that only we can say that a little bearishness on the daily charts can be seen. This is a very strong support zone between 12,400 to 600, 200 period moving average, 100 period, 50 period and 20 period all lying there, probably giving it a very strong support at these levels. If it continues to drop below 12,800 levels, we can expect that it may shed another 300, 400 points before looking forward to a rise there. So this is one observation on the daily charts. And if you look at the directional movement, now see, it is willing to converge and it is willing to cross over. Let's be cautious. Stochastic trading overbought, and whenever it trades overbought, see, it trades overbought and it tries to drop. It trades overbought and it tries to drop, and hence a little drop can be expected. The MACD is trading in green and it is trading in green since last 1.5 months. You can see it started before July, and now it is at the mid of almost first week of August, second week of August, and it is still trading in green there. It is a very long streak, and hence there is a possibility that it may start to converge, crossover. Be cautious a little. Remember, the RSI too is overbought on the daily charts, and that is what it is trying to look forward to a drop. See, that was a very gradual incline there, very gradual rise there, and this time it could be a sharper drop. So after a gradual incline follows a sharper drop. This is a general phenomena. Now look at the weekly charts. Look at the weekly charts. 20 period moving average, 50 period moving average, giving it a support at 12,800. Very strong support there, and then the support here at 13,100 from the 200 period moving average is strong. Beyond 13,400 we can expect it to rally till towards 13,600, and in fact it can try to rise till towards 13,800, 14,000 levels, the next resistance zone. So this is another observation. Below 12,800 we can see it dropping for 12,500, 400 zone. See, it is trading, it was trading bearish on the weekly charts since months now, and this is after long it has come back to so closer levels, and it is willing to converge. Crossover indicates the bulls are still there. However, look at the stochastic. Stochastic is again overbought. There is a possibility for it to cross over and start the bearish momentum again, and then the divergence here may start again. So it will continue to trade in the bearish zone. The MACD on the weekly charts interestingly has crossed over, and this has crossed over after long wait, and now this is just 3 candles probably, and it to restrict the movement probably we can see a red or a sideways movement here, and that is why on the monthly charts and weekly charts what we have seen, even if it tries to drop till towards 12,000 or 11,700, it can bounce back towards the end of the month towards 12,400, 500 zone, and yes, it can try to come back in fact till towards 12,700 to close the month at around these levels, and then next month you may see it rising again. So this is one possibility, that it may try to act bearish for next couple of weeks, but towards the end of the month you may see it bouncing back again. Hence only short entry below 13,000, then be watchful of 12,900, 12,800. Below that you can expect it to drop for 12,400 this week, and then probably next week we may see it dropping further till towards 12,000 and below that, and then a bounce back towards the end of the month can be seen, can be expected, but the drop may not be that sharp, but the rise could be. On the other hand, if you see it trading beyond 13,300, you can go long, and then 13,400, 500, then resistance zone, and then beyond that you can expect it to hit 13,800 and 14,000 levels. Directional RSI is looking upwards on the weekly chart. Look at the monthly charts. The 50 period moving average again giving it a resistance, sustaining above this zone at 13,400. You can expect that we may see it rising 13,800, 14,000 levels. Now on the downside, see, it was trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, taking precisely the support from those levels. It is trying. So this is the zone where it has got the support, and now from here it has started the reversal. And if you look at the directional movement, it is bearish so far on the monthly charts, willing to converge here. The stochastic was at bottom. It is trying to rise, and probably it can retrace with a green candle this month. The MACD is white, divergent and bearish. It may start to converge. This is hardly few candles away. See, it has seen a strong green zone, green run, bull run, and now it has crossed over 5-6 months back, and hence it can continue to trade in red only. The RSI is trading flat. So yes, we are in a bear market till the time, see, this was the bull run. Now it is trading bearish, and now we have to be cautious till the time unless and until it crosses again over the green side. Till then we cannot confirm that as a reversal, but then by that time it must have seen further highs. So yes, for next week, now let me give you the trading level. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. And before I give you the strategy and the levels, yes, if you want to learn the same art of trading profitably, if you learn the same art of trading profitably and the strategies on how to trade profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch obviously starting on 8th of August, hardly couple of days left. Today itself is the last day to enroll, and yes, the next batches will be announced soon. Do keep yourself updated by joining my Telegram channel, or in fact you can drop me an email, or you can drop an Telegram text to me, and definitely I will respond to any of your trading or trading related queries. Also, yes, you can join my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. So reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So go long at 13,320, but I will be watchful of 13,380. And once it drops trades beyond 13,380, I will look forward to 13,500. Beyond this, 13,580 again. And then after that it will fly. You can remain long further. Then we will look forward to 13,800 directly. So in between, yes, 13,718 and 13,820 levels. Rather, I'll say 13,800 itself, 10-20 points I'll not count this time, because it has got a little by nearby resistance. Beyond 13,800, definitely 14,000 is a must. So beyond 13,580 levels precisely, this is the zone. Beyond this, definitely a strong bullish move can come, and once it trades beyond this zone, you can expect 13,500, but 13,500 may give it a little resistance. From there is a possibility that it can drop again. So be cautious. Always trade with the stop loss till 13,580. If you want to take a positional entry, then only 13,580 is the level beyond which you can take up or keep a positional entry for a little wrong bullish run, where you can expect 14,000 and 14,200, 14,500 levels also. So this is one part of it. Now let's have a look where to go short. On the downside, I'll recommend you to go short at 13,080. Below that, you can see 13,030 as the next support, and 13,000 very nearby supports. Below this, I will expect directly it to land at 12,920 and 12,818. Till here it is fine. If it breaks this, one can expect a further drop. Then I will look forward to 12,700, 12,610 and 12,500. In fact, there is a possibility that it may try to hit 12,400 also. Beyond that, it will try to act further bearish, and we can see a stronger drop. So in sum, you have to be watchful of 12,800, 900 zone. And yes, you can see a little drop till towards these levels, but it can bounce back. So largely, you have to be cautious in between 13,500 and 12,800. These 700 points you have to be cautious, and any drop or rise above and below, definitely it will set the tone for the next week and for next to next week also. Any drop below 12,400, 500 will bring further bearishness into the markets. You can expect it may hit 12,000 levels and 11,700 in next couple of weeks, and then a rise can be expected, as I shared. Then a rise can be expected to close the month at 12,700 also. This is possible. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, do what the analysis, do what the daily analysis. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email, both mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.